beat. Don't last them with the noise and the heat. And remember, what is, there may be silent. As far as possible, without surrender, be on good terms with all persons. Speak your due quietly and clearly, and listen to others, even the dull or the ignorant. They too have their story. They too have their story. Avoid loud and aggressive person. They are vexatious in the spirit. If you compare yourself with others, you may become vain or bitter. For always, there will be greater lesser than yourself. In your achievements as well as your plans, keep interested in your own career, however humble. It is a real possession in the changing fortune of time. Exercise caution in your business affairs. For the world is full of trickery. But let this not blind what virtue there is. Many persons strive for high ideals. And everywhere, life is full Jerusalem. Be yourself, especially do not praise affection. Neither be cynical about love. For in the face of all aridity and disenchantment, it is a perennial of the grass. Take kind in the counsel of the years, be gentle with yourself, nurture strength shall do sudden